Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So sorry for the terrible recording angle. I'm literally putting my phone at the telly and my bed is in the way of me to get a straight on view of the telly. But yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you how to homebrew your Wii. So all you need for this is just your SD card. This is a horrible one. And then you need a computer which can connect to the internet and read SD cards. Now your Wii needs to be up to date on version 4.3, which yours probably is. If yours is not up to date, then this won't work, and you need to be. And another thing is you need to make sure that your date is correct. Otherwise, this may be difficult. It's not that it won't work if your date's incorrect, but it's more difficult. So before we get onto the PC, what we need to do on the Wii is go to the Wii options, go to Wii settings, then go across to where it says internet. You don't need to connect it to the internet, but you just need to go to console information and then remember what this MAC address is. Now let's get onto the computer. So on your PC you want to go to this website here, then enter in the MAC address which we saw on the Wii screen, then click I'm not a robot, then click either cut the red wire or cut the blue wire, don't matter which one, then download it, go to shown folder. Then you need either 7-zip or WinRAR to unlock this. Now just click extract, I'm using WinRAR, then open it. Then you want to get your Wii's SD card up. Then you want to copy over the private folder and the boot.elf file. Oh, no. If you already have a folder on your SD card called private, then rename the old one to private old. Now back to the Wii. Then you want to get your SD card, insert it into your Wii, then power the Wii on. Then when you're on your Wii, check that your SD card is actually working. Because this is the second time I've done this, because first it wasn't formatted correctly. On your PC you need to format the card and make sure it's FAT32, otherwise this won't work. But then once you've checked that and maybe had to redo it, then go onto the Wii message board down in the corner. Then keep going back till you find this letter bomb. This could be on the current date, yesterday or the day before. This is why if the date is not correct on your Wii, it may be impossible to find this. But just click on it. Then this menu will come up. Then you'll get this pop-up saying that if someone sold you this, then you've been scammed. Then just click 1 to continue. Then this will tell you if it can be installed or not. Just click continue. And then we'll go up to install the Homebrew channel. Go yes. Now it will start to install the Homebrew channel. Now it says success. Go continue. And we'll go exit. And then now here you go, you're in the Homebrew channel. Now nothing comes up. That's because no apps come pre-installed on it. Now I'll make videos in the future on how to do this. So yeah, you can just go home, exit system menu. Then once it loads through this bit, as you can see on your Wii menu, you now have the Homebrew channel, which is where you go to install all your modded apps. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this. Hope you found it helpful, and I hope you guys come back to the next video.